How to buy NFTs in 3 minutes.
Yo, it's the smoothest in the game. Not here to teach you nothing about fame, but how to game. Okay, so look, I've been getting a bunch of questions on how to buy NFTs, right? First of all, let's get into what an NFT is. An NFT is a non-fungible token, right? We're going to go to this website right here called OpenSea. OpenSea is where we're going to buy and sell our non-fungible tokens. It is literally a marketplace to do so. Click here, go up in that jump. Now we're on the site itself. You're going to have to create a wallet and add funds to said wallet before you're able to buy or sell anything. Okay, I'm gonna log out of my wallet. This is what you're gonna see when you are coming here to create. I click the drop down box because I want you all to see that there is endless wallets that you can create from. Okay, now for me, I use the top 3 because they are the best. I personally feel as so. So we'll click on MetaMask just for example purpose because as you see, it's the most popular. That's 9 times out of 10 what you'll be using. Okay, so I want you to go here to explore. Click on all NFTs. Now, what you're going to see first of all is anything that has recently been put out. You're going to see all the newest recents put out. Bing, 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 bong, bing, bong, bang, bong, bing, bing, bong, bing, bong. Okay, cool. I want you to go over to the left because maybe you're not balling like you want to be balling yet. This is why you're on this video, right? So since we're balling on a budget, we're going to do between $1 and $100. That's what we're willing to spend. Now, I'd like to tell you guys something, right? So you're going to need to put more than just $100 on your account if you're trying to spend more than $100, or you're going to have to buy something that's in between or less than $100. Reason being, let's see here, right? Boom, we're click this monkey here because monkeys are just so lit right now, right? Click check, we agree, boom. It's going to take you to your wallet over here to confirm the purchase, right? Now look at this. Our total is $121. How is that when we just are trying to purchase a $31 monkey? A $31 monkey. This is because the gas fees. Okay, you have to pay attention to gas fees because gas fees fluctuate. They fluctuate like crazy. Look, it's fluctuating as we're recording. As we're recording, it's fluctuating, okay? So you need to pay attention. And look, the gas fees just dropped. It's crazy. It's crazy what can happen literally within seconds. Literally within seconds. I hope this video was informative. I hope you gained some knowledge from this video. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, please feel free to comment below. Please feel free to jump in the DMs and I'll be willing to help whenever I can. I'm about to post more frequent videos, more knowledgeable videos on NFTs. So peace. Stay tuned. Stay tapped in.